Hi, I'm Jonathan Mahadio. I'm a graduate student at Florida International University, and I attend their College of Education's Curriculum and Instruction program. My dissertation focuses on our understanding of discipline-specific identity, or how we see ourselves within a specific discipline. Now, to further elaborate on this, I'm going to start incorporating elements of the second question. Prior to working towards my doctorate, I attained my bachelor's degree in physics, as well as a moderate understanding of computing. At the tail end of attaining my bachelor's degree, I started to work with FIU's Physics Education Research Group. And through this group, I was able to become familiar with working with extremely large data sets, while simultaneously performing high-level inferential statistics. These things are culminated in a deeper understanding at the community, state, and national levels. This now blends into the third question. Now, if I understand something, that's great, but what am I doing to share it with everyone else? Now, for this next part, I'm going to be going over a few of my peer-reviewed published works. I'm only going to be giving you a surface-level interpretation of them, but be assured at the end of this video, I will include a link that will take you to the entire research. At the community level, I used common exam questions or advanced placement questions to understand the differences in teaching styles via the lens of epistemic games. Now, what all those fancy terms mean is that I looked at common exam questions and figured out that depending on the type of instruction students get, will arm them with certain techniques for solving problems. And furthermore, we found out which techniques better solved which types of AP problems. At the state level, I analyzed force concept inventory data and looked at how students gained knowledge of Newtonian mechanics. We found out something extremely interesting via our HLM concerning the gender gap. At my present level, I am working with nationally representative data studying computing identity. This brings us back to the original part of this video when I was talking about discipline-specific identity. Now, my research is presently undergoing peer review, so I won't be able to share all of our claims with you. But you can be assured we have found out why people are joining the T in STEM. Now, this clear research line brings me to the fourth and final question. I may be amending the fourth question when I say that I am an individual with clear research lines, and that I hope that this program allows for additional outlets for my knowledge, whether that be through applying my expertise to panels or allowing my research to go towards actual bills. I hope that my entire understanding of policy grows with this experience. That being said, I am Jonathan Mahadio, and I thank you for your consideration.